Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I'm in ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT Plus, and I'm going to show you how to create free videos. Not only any type of videos, these are faceless videos that use AI avatars. Before I just go on and on about them, let me show you what it looks like. You'll see here I'm going to click on this, and then I'll show you how to do this for free. So it uses a new app called HeyGen, and look at this. I'll show you the video, I'll show you how to download it, then I'll show you how to do it in like 60 seconds.
ChatGPT now lets you generate videos like this in seconds. Here's a guide to creating them easily.
All right, so that's what I created. You'll notice that it is pretty darn good. It's not perfect, but it's quite good. It does have a watermark here, but if you download it and then you just size it correctly, you can get rid of that watermark, if you know what I mean. And okay, let's go back in and let me show you how I did it. So what you got to do first off is I'll go from step by step just to show you the whole thing. So here we go. I'm going to click on new chat. So I'm going to create a new chat. I'm going to go to GPT-4 just like that, and then I'm going to make sure the check mark is beside the one that says plugins. Right now the plugins are still in beta, but this is a new free plugin. I'm going to click on that, and then presto, I'm going to go ahead and hover over this here, and you'll see this little box here, this little rectangle. I'm going to say, you're going to see here that I've got a check mark beside HeyGen. If you don't see that, click on the plugin store like I just did there, and then just type in HEY, and you'll see HeyGen, and you can just quickly install it just like that. Beauty. Now all you got to do is do this. I'm going to go, I just copy and paste it in my prompt. Create a video of a woman reading the following text in quotation marks. ChatGPT now lets you generate the videos like this in seconds. Here's a guide to creating them easily. When you do that, you're going to see here that it just thinks for a second, and then it's going to summon the HeyGen plugin just like this. And if I go back to my previous one to show you what it looks like, let's try that again. Come on, Curtis. You'll see here that it does it for you, and then it just says watch the video. So once it's done its thing, you can just click on the link, watch video. Actually, let's go to this one here. It says here you can watch it here. Click on that, and there it is. And again, if you want to keep it, you can just go ahead. I'm going to click on to play, hit stop, hit these three little dots, click on download, and you've got a faceless behind camera AI generated video with HeyGen. Thanks for watching.